A house is likely the first thing that evokes a sense of ownership in a person. During our childhood, it is where we eat, play, dream, and spend time with family, sharing feelings and thoughts that transform this space into a home. Preserving these experiences is crucial for maintaining both the functional and emotional aspects of the home. Additionally, incorporating various elements to create new environments within the house helps in crafting unforgettable memories. Located in the state of Mexico, in the growing urban outskirts of Texcoco, Casa Texcoco embodies these principles. This project involves renovating a house that serves as a residence for an entire family. The structure comprises two levels, the ground floor for public areas and the first floor for private spaces, both retaining their original functionality. A distinctive feature of Casa Texcoco is the cube in the facade, which adds a unique character to the building. The design harmonizes with the surrounding environment through elements like a lattice that allows light and air to flow freely, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. The facade also features two notable subtractions: a window that frames the landscape and an opening that accommodates the growth of existing nature. Inside the house, various modifications were made, including changes to materials and furniture to create diverse atmospheres. The use of white coats, simple wooden elements, and polished concrete contributed to generating the perfect environment for each area. The size of the existing subtractions was increased to enhance ventilation, light, and spaciousness. The entire project was conceived with the passage of time in mind, with light playing a crucial role. The lattice, dome, and different subtractions create a dynamic interplay of shadows throughout the day. The sky blends with the light blue walls, adding a geometric elegance to the house's edges. With these features, Casa Texcoco becomes a place of tranquility within a modern setting, offering moments of peace and a backdrop for creating lasting memories.